Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create a MongoDB aggregation pipeline with the match and group stages in a Go application. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. First I'm going to do a Go mod in it. Now I'm going to get all the dependencies. We have got all the Mongo driver dependencies. Now let's go and get the go.env. So now here we have got all the dependencies. Now I am going to create a .env file where we are going to add the connection string. I am going to call the environment variable as MongoDB_URI. And this is where we are going to add our connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. So we are going to connect from an application. So click drivers. So already the Go driver is selected and already we have installed the MongoDB driver also. So copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I am going to add my application code. I am going to call it as pipeline.go. Package main. I'm going to import all the dependencies. We'll start with context. I'm just going to copy this and paste it. So here I'm going to add the options. Then here this I'm going to change it to this. So I have added all the dependencies. We are good. So now I'm going to add my function main. First we are going to load the .env file. Error not equal to null, we are just going to log that. No .env file found. Okay, then we are going to get the URI, whereas get env, and then we need to give the environment variable name, which is going to be MongoDB_URI. Okay, then we are going to check whether the URI is empty. Okay, so then we are going to do a log fatal, and then we are going to say environment variable MongoDB_URI has to be set. Okay, so this is all good. Now we are going to get the client mongo.connect. We need to pass the context. And then we need to give the options client.apply URI and then the URI. Okay, so if error not equal to null, we are going to panic. Okay, then we are going to add a defer function. Okay, so here we are going to do a client disconnect. Client.disconnect. So again we need to give the context. So error not equal to null. Again we are going to panic. Okay. 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 So what we are going to do in this demo is we are going to create a pipeline with the match and the group stages. Okay. So let's add the filtering for that. Match stage. Okay. First we need to give the match operator. This is fine. Okay, json dot d. So here we are going to pass the filter. Okay, so I am going to filter based on grade and grade A. Okay, so this is my match stage. Okay, so now I'm going to add the group stage. Okay, json.d. First we need to give the group operator. Okay, it's fine. So then we need to give, okay, so I need to give the ID. Okay, and then I'm going to group based on the gender. Okay, so this is fine. So then I'm going to get the count. I need the count. Okay, dot d. Okay, so I'm going to use the count operator. Okay, dot d. Okay, so this is going to be my group stage. I'm going to execute this aggregation again the students collection, which is part of the university DB. Okay, so collection. So I'm going to use the client dot database. Then we need to give the database name as university, and the collection name is going to be students. Okay, so all good. So now we can execute the pipeline. Okay, cursor dot aggregate. So again we need to pass the context, then mongo.pipeline. Okay, so here we need to pass both the stages, match stage and then the group stage. Okay, so it's all good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the results in a, okay, okay, so then what I'm going to do is equal to, okay, cursor dot all. Okay, again we need to pass the context. Okay, and then to which we are going to give the results. Okay, so it's all good. So now we wanted to print the result. So for that what I'm going to do is for result, okay, range results. Okay, so now we are going to print the result. I'm going to use println only. Okay, so I'm going to say number of, okay, so I'm going to say result ID. Okay, then I'm going to say students. Okay, then I'm going to give the count, result count. Okay, so it's all good. Save the changes. Now I'm going to run the program. So we could see the program got executed successfully, and we are able to get the number of male students who have got grade A as well as the number of female students who have got grade A. Okay, in this demo we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster from a Go application and then create an aggregation pipeline with the match and group stages. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.